Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Yudi Setia Pratama. Here, I will present English lecture material about hardware, software, and operating system. Software is a set of program or instruction that command computer hardware to perform specific tasks or function. There are two main categories of software. Application software. Application software runs with computer operating system and supporting system software program to function. System software. System software is designed to operate computer hardware and provide a platform for running application on top of it. Software function. If the term software refers to a set of instruction, data, or program within a computer, then the functions of software are as follows: providing essential computer functions such as the availability of operating system and supporting computer system to operate, managing every hardware component in the computer to work together simultaneously, identifying programs within the computer, serving as a connector between various software and the computer's hardware, acting as a translator into machine language so that hardware can understand the commands sent by users. Example of software is Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Excel. Operating system. An operating system is software that regulates and manages the hardware records of a computer, while also providing an interface between the user and the hardware. Its function is crucial because without an operating system, user cannot directly interact with computer hardware. Some of the main functions of an operating system are resource management. The operating system manages hardware resources such as the CPU, memory, input or output device, and storage. User interface. The operating system provides an interface that allow user to interact with the computer. File management. The operating system organize and manage the structure of file within the computer system. Process management. The operating system manage the process running on the computer, including setting priorities, allocating resource, and scheduling process execution. Security. The operating system provides security features such as setting user access right to file and system resource, as well as protection against virus and malware. Example of operating system: Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Okay everyone, the next material is hardware. Hardware is a physical component required in every technological device such as laptops, computers, smartphones, and many more. The role of the component is crucial. Without hardware, it is impossible for a device to function properly. How hardware works? The way hardware works is based on three basic commands or set of instructions. With this command, the hardware can carry out various processes that have been given. Here are three basic commands for running hardware, including basic input instruction that can provide information to software. using a driver as an intermediary, for example, when we click on application with the mouse. Basic process instruction. This instruction function as an intermediary between input and output process. This instruction only occur within a piece of hardware, not the entire computer system. And basic instruction output is a process that occurs when there is an order to use hardware. Hardware function. Receive input. The first role of hardware is a recipient of input provided by the device. User to user provide output. Another important role of hardware is to provide a set of function or output required by the device user after receiving input. Place to store information and data. As a place to store information and data such as SD card and RAM. Process information and data. Apart from function as a place to store data and information, hardware also function as a place to process the data and information so that can be read on your computer screen. Hardware types. Input hardware to enter raw data and its categories as an input device. Processing hardware, converting raw data into readable information so that I can make computer device work the way you want. Output hardware, distribution and display data and information. Storage hardware, a component where data is stored is classified as a memory device. Okay everyone, that's all my presentation. Thank you for listening until the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.